Audio testing. Here we go. Okay, I need some room. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi.
Hey everybody, thanks for checking in. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a review of a review. One of the things that I love about cooking is that we get to share it with our friends and our family. And you see, what were you going to say?
We have shared a lot of them with our
And we
friends.
have shared a lot with our friends. And so one of our good friends, Ben and Tanya, Ben came by recently, picked up a box of pork belly. And basically all we did was a coleslaw bed with toasted Hawaiian rolls, some like spicy garlic pickles, and we did the pork belly burnt ends with some Mad Moose seasoning and sauce. So what we're gonna do now is actually play the video review and then and talk through it a little bit. But Ben, Tanya, thank you so much for letting us do this. Here we go.
Hello friends, family. Today what we have here is Who's Smoking's newest creation. I think it's called Burn Edges Pork Belly. I've only seen it on his channel. Who's Smoking, I'll link it here for you guys to take a look. We've had his barbecue stuff before. The meats are delicious. I've only seen this on his video though, so I'm super happy that he packed a little something for us for lunch. So we'll stop talking and get eating. This is what he's packaged for us. Carefully, thoughtfully packaged.
There it is.
Right here. All right.
Brisket or meat? You made?
Let's get a little piece
That's,
off to the
pork
plate
belly.
here.
Oh, that's the pork belly you made for him.
Looks a little dry though.
Let's see what this
Yeah, it looks like
tastes
he
like.
did keep it out for a while.
It's pork belly on top. And this, I assume, is some kind of bread. And we have
Rolls. Rolls.
coleslaw on the bottom here.
Rolls.
Let's open this guy here.
Called it bread.
Oh, it is bread.
Well, it's like a kind of bread. It's just a little smaller kind.
A little bit of bun to make our sandwich. But I think I'm just going to eat the meat on its own for the flavor. And then we'll get to the coleslaw and the bread a little bit later. So a little bit of coleslaw here. Okay.
All right, here
Let's
we go.
see.
Here you go.
Here
There
it is.
it is.
Ben's like a
Smells
professional
delicious.
right now.
Wish you guys, people can smell this.
What do you mean?
Just enough the sort of the smokiness, that aroma that you can smell just taking it out of the box.
He's talking about aromas and everything.
What I noticed that is, unlike most pork belly, you assume is like soaked in fat, drizzled in fat.
True.
This doesn't appear to be so. So that just cut into it. Oh, it kind of just falls apart.
Should be soaked in fat though. Be so much better.
Very good flavor. You can really taste the meat and the smokiness. It did give me a heads up. Has a little bit of spice to it, but not too bad. I'm not a spicy guy. I can't
think
handle
it was spicy
hot
when you
stuff
had
for
it?
very much, but not at all.
But it wasn't
Brings out a
any
flavor of quite a bit.
spicy,
And like I
But
said,
I still liked it.
unlike most
I
pork
just
belly,
drank water after I was
the
fine.
fat just kind of melts and drizzles all around it. This is not that case, so you don't get that kind of nauseousness as you eat too much pork belly.
Nauseous?
The fat just tastes like
What?
tendon. Tastes like part of the meat, really.
Who gets nauseous eating
Really
pork belly?
tender, actually. Very soft.
know it.
Great flavor. So,
Nauseous?
delicious. All right, love, your turn. Take a bite of this, guy.
All right, here we go. So this is gonna
See
be
what you think.
Miss Tanya right here.
And
Okay.
here you go.
This pork belly?
This is the pork belly right here.
Here we go.
I'm gonna try
Huh. With the fork and spoon.
spoon. Dirt spoon.
Try the fat part. Whoa. Interesting.
Very smoky, right? You get that kind of a smoky.
You know, not what I was expecting, but that part was really nice and soft. Let me see. Let me try this part too.
Does that mean she doesn't like it?
That's what I was
And
thinking.
that she's eating. Baby here wishes that he could
Oh,
have
baby Cody.
Hey, he has the same bib as Kanan. The doggy bib, remember? The pink
That's
one.
really interesting.
Same high
I didn't
chair,
think
too.
that you could always that you can prepare pork belly this way. It's really it's got a nice flavor to it too. Super smoky. Nice.
She seems she likes
I like it.
Right?
All right.
Thanks,
I
Kevin.
like it.
There you have it. Approved. Deliciousness. I don't know why he doesn't have more of a pop-up menu going to share with the world. It's delicious. Thank you, Kev. Deliciousness. Looking forward to your next creation. Don't forget to check out his channel. He's got a lot of good stuff there. You customized a smoker as well. So that's kind of interesting. He also had an adorable guest star for one of his videos. So take a look.
That's
All
you.
right. Talk to you later. Thank you, guys.
All right. Well, again, Ben, Tanya, thank you so much for sharing that review and allowing me to review your review as we go. I thought that was really fun. I think y'all are pros and should probably start your own channel. For everyone else, just so you know, the pork belly burnt ends, I think I made a video before about them. This was actually a different cook. The only thing different though I used compared to that first cook, if you want to check out that video, I can put up a card somewhere, is I just, instead of using Meat Church's Holy Gospel seasoning, I went with Mad Moose. Oh, you know what? I don't have the containers. Here, talk to them for a second while this garbage truck is behind us.
Okay. So, didn't you think that video was a little funny?
I thought that video was very funny. So, right here. This is Mad Moose.
Why is it called Mad Moose?
You know, that's a good question. I think one of the guys' name is Moose.
And then why does this have fire on it?
Because this is shock and awe. This is the spicy one. This is the original one. So I use a little bit of both. Anyhow, yeah, so that's what we used. All the other recipes and links where I got the recipes are on there. Definitely not my creation though. Thank you, Ben, but definitely not my creation. For the smoker, we did modify it. We did throw on like a couple of, I don't know, additional accessories like affecting the smokestack and diffuser plates and all that other stuff, and that video is also available. So anyhow, that was fun. Any other thoughts before we end the video?
Well, the cute and adorable person he was talking about was me.
Yeah, the cute, adorable person is you. Actually, it could be me.
What?
It could be me. I could be the cute and adorable person.
He said the cute, adorable, like... Well, I'm younger.
That's very true. That's very true. All right, everybody. Thank you for coming by. Don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. What else? All right. Until next time.
Who's smoking?